me ankame anka ene de ombe so mo koye demonstration ni bia no anka Minister of Interior ne employment ministry for ne ade no na anka ya tete omo a omo boa no omo be mema on announcement na ye hey yate Akufo Addo se wate ma o makasa dodo opeso ma mo atwuma hairdresser fo amukura mo certificate mu nyina ha carpenter fo amuwa mo certificate mu nyina ha mo amuwie JSS mu nyina ha mo amuwie SS mu nyina ha obi amfa ne set me do nyame sanko obeto wurem me se me ankasa na meye no na eno no ye ba ni ye bisa certificate no ye no ye de be ma militia fo na ye because some say revolution inti ye me police fo nko no ma kwaje bribe da bi ye de soldier fo na be ko ho na o ma ko bisa o mo enti ye frewa Avram Moshe usu pe adwuma ye yo ya te me pa cho qualification den me pa cho you know adwere na anye adwuma body ne na bere da bi mpa cho yan na e bisa ye yes say wo qualification ne dan Avram na wudi anim se mo pa adwuma yo ya pese ya mo wa adwuma wo qualification officer me pa cho mene boy na me ye common sense family common Avram wo certificate ya wo de pa adwuma we he honorable me pese me TV station intina me be gina ejimi sa no me sere mo fa nche me Captain Smart bra wo certificate we he me pa cho me ye radio presenter sa into wo de wanya adwuma ye ai baby a wo ye adwuma no Ghana fo ye adwuma wo ho sa okọ ho no animanim ya fa nipa me enu bi wo mo wahu officer yes they pick new assistant you which means that it's an ongoing process. Now why ye beba wo so babunu fo no me na meba. Na ye be bisa wo say wo certificate wo he. Wo JSS, uko JSS me pa cho han. Unya aggregate 95. Yo, also be ye adwuma wo he. Me pese me ko immigration. Enu ntina wo shetai no. Me pa cho ai yo. Immigration ye mfa aggregate 95 nko ho. Wo certificate wo ni bi. Na nka sa nkrofo ni na ye de abosia. Oh military style. Ye de abosia gu ho ne ya mo man nili da wo mu de anante akwati aba no mo to nyom revolution no ma to soja fo nyom na kire soja fo no me se me nkasa tu mi ni wo me se man kasa na me yes ejimi fo wi because Ghana I am 100% asma making I'm so confident in it because minim say boys na go street no so no we 100 emu 95 any qualification u jane so nko ye bibi obeye bibi. I'm telling you because me some more qualification I made to me the anya adwuma. What the hell am I doing on the street calling say yema me aprapra na me that is why I'm doing a demonstration. Me sing station me donya me sanka memma e soldier for na chichiom na wo mu ni certificate no wo mu di dokono tramo chinam ne ajimi samunti ati yahugu abonten se yekoye dem kadri amebema ya dri omo no na wahu de we yaku ditate wahu de we soldier for beje man a omo ya action kakra wahu de ete me ya bire bi yesi mindware me si mindware me to wan yakọ free militia for by na me had the farm ni so no there is no day I mindware 2 times that na say na my lazy mi sono me nana mama militia fo ababu wo mama militia fo na me didi agro militia me si dey I go free militia mi ndware keke me si mi ndware na me ye mi jimi ani mi ti kondo na me papa every chire mi ndware and ye free militia fo bre me efono me e pascal me enti no wako jimi na woni certificate no na nka ya frɛ mo samati ase fa certificate bra wo ye hairdresser wo certificate wo he wo ye baba wo certificate wo he o me de minimum 3 yipa wo certificate wo me ni bi nti say aba na ye be fa baba fo de o mu atukwan a wo certificate a o de kwa wo he wo ni bi so wo say fix the country hey wo certificate a wo di yitre wo he a wo ni bi ka de we ya be ma military for na dre o mo no o military is easy. You guys think this military thing here as you Guinea mo dream say ya grow. Some of you man be who revolution no me man be who bi o ba me beti and ma hwe who documentary so it was nothing pretty. Me wo ma me fuo bi wo page so a anytime I mention about this revolution they are some of them they cried even to date. Eya wa ye maame ne ye nananom famu. Wo nana pese wudidi nti wakofa ne ama eton kakra yesi o hode na ya kire na ya ye na yakayaka de. Ya wro ma ho. Soldier life is what you want, Ghana youth? With your lazy self? With your lazy self as a Ghana youth, you want a military government? Mr. Baden, you late today. Welcome. With your lazy self as a Ghana youth, who feels lazy to even dissect the common information that is given to them, to ascertain, as say a no cre, and I say no cre. Oh, send me there, yeah. Well, NDC me, yeah, the NDC near the way, and the NDC now. Oh, sister. Nti NDC intina say NDC no mbo number we say NDC. Okay, good for you. Eh? What are you people doing? Ghana for Ghana youth or my penny be about or can say or beye one district, one factory. Ghana, we are all there. We saw what NDC said about one district, one factory. Don't let us forget too. We all remember exactly what they said about one district, one factory. Na Ghana ni ende wo ko market ya sebe where who bibi akran ye free bibi eku juice ekumfi juice where who bibi akran ye wakasa di ropa project sebe product bit said den broda ye di potato na ye eye kuafo Ghana kuafo na bedo potato no adwuma wo mo ebe se ombeso ade aba ayi adwuma wo mo ebe ye potato ihu adwuma Ghana bebunu, you don't see that as a development. You don't see that as a party that wants you to go good. Answer na me transfer me DBC. Let me ask you one more thing. Ghana. Me amiti hey, me te Canada, Toronto. Okay? We know how important healthcare is to Ghana. To every country. Kromoha. My health card no. Okay, me home health card no. But yeah. I just went to get it renewed. Let me tell you something. Me area, me family health card. Na me the yedin, na me the call. Me a share me. NPP abayin bi baye, your friend the president Akufo. Okay? What he did was to propose universal health care, national health insurance scheme for Ghana. My brother, my sister fixed the country fools. There was a party that stood up against that project. Healthcare. There was a party that stood against it. Say, yeah, pay my healthcare. No, yeah, Ghana sika enkwanye. To show you, say, they don't believe in universal healthcare. You know, edu amosono. It did not work. Okwa service provided say government into your kentine nya ade a omobe hwew. Nti wo be kaya Mr. Mills ebe endena to Mahama time no. Na wo de wo national health insurance card no wo de kwa na omo hwew meboa. Me pa cho kwaku kwa bi mo a mo hwe mo Ghana no asem ya make meboa. Mahama no mo time no na national health insurance scheme no na nya adwuma. You know why? They left a debt of 1.2 billion on it. Eka omuja aye no. Sika na esankodi ko tua na service providers to me ye adwuma ma Ghana ni nya na healthcare no. Ote the command maze bell say on fan koto amen bi ni bi ko enwe. Ote the mattress bu achi say wa ye campaign aboa ni nti on fan koto dan nem. Electricity when tuyaka enunti Buhari supplier no mayen oji free ensem. Akufo Addo 2018 they negotiated from 2017 2018 everything was cut. He went and followed his promise, paid half. Up till then, Ghana, yes, you have a little light-offs intermittently from here and there, 1 2 1 2 B. But you cannot tell me say doom so now with them 2014 all the way to 2016. You cannot tell me the sumwa odemuno is equated to what is happening here today. When we propose free education, somebody has just put it here. Nana Mamu, thank you. Almost say it cannot work. You could be a school party no almost free education here for one night here for party no. But man, I could school more you. And this